Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with a really quick, not too shabby shop haul. So she had in her shop a gingerbread I Want It All mini collection, so I did get that. I also got a couple other things, so let's get into it. I did get the plaids for Christmas, and so I have so much Christmas paper, but I really liked these plaids, and I also liked the cute little cut-aparts that come in this pack of paper. So I did go ahead and get this. You can see the little cut-aparts. I did get this. So to play with, I just need time. I'm so behind. And then I get this not part of the kit. I also got a couple things that were not part of the kit. I got these, which I thought were really, really beautiful. These are from, this calls for confetti. They're called strawberry truffle, and there's these really pretty sort of baubles. And then I also got this, which is an ornament shaker set. So I'm excited about that. It's not too shabby. My free gift is these Gina Marie gems. And then the I Want It All. So first we get this Gingerbread Kisses paper pad, which is stinking adorable. So I can't wait to pull out all my gingerbread stuff. This year I'm going to be doing it because last year I was sick. So just so cute. Really, really love this paper. So I got this paper pad in that, along with the ephemera, and the ephemera is really, really cute. I mean, it is like gingerbread houses and gingerbread people and gingerbread cookies, and it's adorable. So there's that. And then the stamp set, which is adorable. This one's called Gingerbread Hugs, and it's just so cute. Along with, I went ahead and splurged and got the coordinating die. And then this is a gingham background builder. So just an easy way of doing a gingham background. So I can't wait to try that out because stencils are like my new favorite thing. So I don't know if it's sold out yet. It probably will. So I really recommend getting this if you like gingerbread. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Create the Heart.